Hi there, slot fans. I was at the Wynn and Encore on my recent Las Vegas trip and found some new games. Here's Wasabi Lock and Lightning Gongs. I enjoyed both of them, so see what you think. I'm playing Wasabi Lock. All right, I got the hold and spin, I think, or who knows, on nickels, $2 bet, 5 free spins. Okay. Guess I want to land some stuff down here, magic stuff. Get some good magic stuff. Plus spin, something. I should have known this game looked corny. It was not going to be a pay. These games are all cutesy and fun, and they don't ever pay off.
Road unlocked.
I'm out of spins. Well, great. I had a treasure chest. I had some bigger money up there. Didn't matter. $14. Oh, yes, you're very cute. Here, I'll let you watch a few spins. Alright, so you need to get 6 coins in a game board. And there's a symbol that can help you go up and down with adding stuff, so that's what actually gave me that bonus. That thing. If there's a chance that it will give you the 6, it does a little like optional thing. So land it. I don't know how to win on this in terms of line pays. All right. So I think it'll flippity around. Come on, we want the coin. Coin. Nope, we got wilds. See, if that had been a coin, I would have had 3 of them up there to go with the 3 I had. Oh, now, coin. Nope. Darn it. So, yeah, you can get it on both of them. All right, coin. You better be a coin. Of course not. Hey, wilds. Hey, almost 25. All right, let's get another coin. Pizza. Wasabi Lock. All right, give me coins on both of them. No. Darn it. Oh, hello. $20. Well, maybe it's waking up. Land like a bunch of them on both boards. Turn the whole thing wild with coins. I'll hold my own here. Alright, I tell you what, I'll be back if I get something else on Wasabi Lock. Alright, I got one of those things and it turned to coins. Here we go. It's on $2 bet nickels. Alright. Got it. Oh, hello, what's that mean? Oh, I'm guaranteed to get something. Okay. Key. Wonder what that is. Okay. Wonder what that thing does. Booster, maybe? Yep. All right. Do another one of those. Wasabi. Up. Open a row. Key. Spin. And ooh, what's that?
Free spin awarded.
Ah,
Oh, yeah.
I see. Okay.
Wasabi.
Yes, do all 5 of them. 3. Spin, spin, and spin.
Free spin awarded.
I probably would have wanted to go up the ladder,
Free
but okay.
spin awarded. Free spin awarded.
Well, this bonus is at least a lot more fun. Come on, up, key. Spin, and, okay, collect.
Free spin awarded.
Those are our best ones.
Yeah.
All right, $16.50 in the bank, and still have a lot of spins. Wasabi, get it down here. Spin and a booster, but I've only got 1 coin. Does it do the ones up here? It does the ones up there too. Oh baby, we gotta unlock because I've got $30 sitting there. Yes. Oh baby, come on keys. Key. Yes, and we boosted. There's $31, and we're boosted 4 coins. Oh, baby. 5 more spins. Let's unlock some more. Get to the top. Collect, okay. 24 in the bank. I have 4 spins to go. Yes! Got 2 of them. Let's get a key or a spin. Alright. Oh, nice. $29. Still, this is fun. I spoke too soon about Wasabi Lock. I didn't know it could do that Wasabi spin. Key. Alright, 3 spins to go. That first bonus was, oh no, give me a key. There's a treasure chest right there. Oh wow. I've got to unlock that treasure chest. I don't know what's in there. 2 spins to go. Need a Wasabi. Come on, give me a key. Oh, well, we're collecting a bunch of stuff. All right, baby. Last spin. I need Wasabi. Oh, there's now 3 treasure chests up there. Yes! Come on, light them all on fire. Come on, I need extra spin. Extra spin and a key. Well, okay, we get to collect those. And there's $30 we're collecting again. 71. 109.50. And then we're going to collect it all. This is a big win bonus. Well, knock me over with a feather. I would never have believed it. And we left. I still need to know what's in a treasure chest. Is it the mini miner stuff? Wow. Wasabi Lock. It's a Wasabi Wynn. There's Sushi Cat. I wonder what the name of mine is. It looks like a dog. $243. Sushi Cat and... Anyway, I will be back. I am now hooked on Wasabi Lock. Oh, Hibachi Hound. This is fun. I changed my opinion. Of course, $243 does a lot to change my opinion, but I see the potential in that bonus, and that is fun. Oh, I'm playing Lightning Gongs here at the Encore in Las Vegas, and I just got a mini for $75. Oh, hello, friends. And these are nickels, so... Alright. 8 collected, 15 was the grand. Okay. There's some other features here. There's the neighbor. Strike and repeat. I got the gongs. Okay, here we go. $4, okay. Get a minor or a major. Okay. Nice. Minor. Minor's $2.50. Major's $12.25. Last spin. I need a gong. Save the bonus. I saw the minor go by. I haven't saved a bonus in a week. All right. I just sat down. I had a $150 ticket. I got lucky on another game. And now, thank you, Lightning Gongs. La 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 la. That's pretty. Okay, I'm at 275. All right, 3 or more lightning bolts. Here, I'll let you stay for a second. 3 or more lightning bolt trigger strike. Okay, and then that's our wild. Line pays aren't very much. 3 or more lightning bolt, or green is the repeat. Okay, let's get them. And then it goes up there. I guess it must trigger randomly. There's 2. Let's get another one. Now, can they combine is the question. Ba, 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 ba. That's a win. Green. Oh, darn, wasted those wilds. All right, I'll be back when I get something else on Lightning Gongs. My first spin bonus, I threw $60 into Lightning Gongs King after cashing out on the other side, and I triggered it randomly. I had 5 and I said a bad word, and then it gonged. It gave me the random feature. All right, these are nickels. Let's get something fun. That minor or the major will do. Okay, $8. Okay, a couple of 2s. 8 again. Come on, throw that major in there. Last chance. Give me a gong. Yeah. Well, hey, first spin bonus. $52. Very nice. All right, so I'm still looking to see the strike or the repeat, but here, let you watch a couple. I don't know what this one does. So we saw on the Lions that the wild expands. 3, 3, 3, 2, 2. Oh, bring a thing? Oh, not that time. What was I saying? Oh, on the one next to it, what was his name? Fortune. Lightning Gong's Fortune, he's a wild multiplier, and the multiplier changes. I threw some money into that and didn't win. So I'm curious to see what this one does. Okay, he's wild, but he didn't match up with anything. 3. might be a multiplier too. We'll try some $4 bets. Still nickels. Queen? Yes, okay, so that's the same as fortune, as he's a multiplier. So he did a ×5 there, but didn't squat. Come on, you're taking my profits back here. Give me the strike and repeat. I saw something on the little advertisement screen that said a golden bonus. And it looked like that's the mega feature. So there is a way. And I would like it. It's only $1. All right, one more, then I will. All right, maybe I'll be back.